this is actually the second day in Dali. I should have done this video in the morning, but it was raining heavily, so we've decided to stay in the hotel, watch some movies in the morning. And then what did we do today? We walked around the old town of Dali, this time at daytime, because the last 2 days we just have been there at night, so we want to see how does it look at daytime. And we also searched for some new places, like some small lake, but it was more like a water reservoir, so there were not a lot of people and it was not well prepared for visitors, but it was quite nice. And yeah, that's actually what we did today. And today, now it's the last night here in Dali, and we will go again to the old town and search for some place to eat. Why didn't we do anything else? We wanted to go on the mountain, but as the weather conditions was very bad in the morning, we unfortunately couldn't do it. And another problem here in Dali is also that a lot of the tourist places are very expensive. So everywhere you want to see something, you have to pay at least 100 yuan. And when you visit 3 or 4 places, you have to pay maybe 500 a day, and it's very expensive. But we found some nice temple also today, which was free of charge. So that's also something you could do, and walking around the city also doesn't cost anything, and it's also very nice here. So this was Dali, and let's start the video and also end the video here. Now I will show you some footage of the day, so the way around the old town at daytime, then also what else? The small lake we found, and of course we will also show you the temple we found, also a very beautiful one. Yeah, that's what you see today, so enjoy the pictures. welcome to the room tour Dali edition. And this time it will be a very not tidied up room, because there is actually no room service, so nobody is cleaning the room every day, so it just looks like it looks. So at the moment we are now at the roof of the hotel or the homestay, don't know exactly how it's called, and we have our room at the top of the building. And now let's have a look inside. Okay, let's go into the room. We have the beautiful bed over here, and they also put a Chinese woman here just for entertainment. And then we have our TV over here, also Wi-Fi device. Then the beautiful view from here to our Chinese flag, so that we know exactly in which country we are. Very important. Actually, there is no air conditioning here, so when we want to have it a little bit cooler, we have to open the windows. And this is the view from our room. But I will close it again, as there are mosquitoes sometimes, so I don't want them to come in now. And now to the last and final room, the bathroom. Very beautiful here. Also hair dryer over here. That's me again, hello. Then there's the shower here, and as you see, the shower itself is also the bathroom, so when you're showering, the whole bathroom will be wet. And then we have our beautiful view from the bathroom to the mountains of Dali. So I show you on the left, and then we go to the right, and then you see how it looks like from our bathroom here. Whoop. Oh, not exactly, I'm here. Camera, I'm on the other side. There I am. So that's our room in Dali, and next stop will be Hangzhou. So the next room tour will be in Hangzhou, and there we will be tomorrow. So see you in Hangzhou. Oh, there's another thing I want to show you. In this room, at the roof, they also put something there to make it more beautiful. Yeah, I think it's okay. Like I said before, next room tour will be in Hangzhou, so see you there. One thing I really like about Dali is that there are a lot of restaurants where they put all of the vegetables and also fresh fish out of in front of the restaurant, so that you can actually see what they will cook today. And even if you can't find a dish on the menu, if they have the fresh vegetable here, they will cook a delicious dish for you. So that's something I really like, and you will find it all over this place and all over the old town of Dali. Yeah, this was actually Dali. It was quite nice. Part of the city disappointed me, especially that a lot of places are very expensive, and there are also a lot of parts of the city which are not very nice. But all in all, I saw a lot of very nice buildings, so it was worth the trip. And now we will go to my favorite city in China, the city where I've been for more than 1 year. I've studied there at university, and I really love the city, and that's where we will go tomorrow. So goodbye from Dali, and we will see each other again in Hangzhou. So if you still like the videos, then please press the like button, subscribe to my videos, or leave a comment. And if you are interested in China and also want to do such an amazing trip, then visit also my website about the China Insider Training, where you get all of the information you need to live or travel China at its best. So thank you for watching and see you in Hangzhou.